Simply apply to this website, type some names, and earn $60 every hour. I did it, you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to get paid $61 per hour for just typing names. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this after watching this video. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. But guys, I'm gonna share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now, let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, I want you to come over to this website, which is called talentdesire.com. And you can earn money online from home with this website without investing a single dollar. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment and you don't need any skill to do this. It's completely beginner friendly and you don't even need experience in writing. You can just follow my instructions and you will be fine. Now, when you scroll down the website, you can see the steps that they took the time to summarize here. Basically, you would just come to this website, explore some jobs, and when you find something, you will get hired. Immediately after that, you can start on your work, which is very simple, and in the end, you will collect your earnings. And as you can see, you can choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more. And if we scroll a little bit down more, you can see that there are plenty of opportunities here, such as online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online paid survey jobs, and many more. But the one that we are interested in today is online typing jobs. So I want you to click on this little red button, which is entitled More. And here you have some more information about the job. You can do some research on your own, but I will summarize it briefly for you. So as you can see, you can earn up to $13,000 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. So this is a very good earning opportunity for people from anywhere in the world. You can see that the work is guaranteed and you should expect to get the minimum work of $1,000 per month. So more than $1,000 per month, that's a great opportunity. And as you can see, these are the levels they offer. So you've got from beginner through intermediate, professional, all up to experts. So depending on what level you are, you will be paid at different rates, ranging from beginner all the way to experts. And as you can see, for beginners, it should be $45 per day. Intermediate ones should earn $54 per day. Professionals should earn something like $67, and experts are gonna earn $90 per day. And that's just for typing some names, guys. This is a great opportunity and we want to take advantage of it. And down here we can see requirements. Here are basic knowledge of internet and English, minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on computer, and a computer with a high-speed internet connection. And over here they made earning simulator, so let's click on this and see what it's all about. So here we have some earning calculators. As you can see, there is per page earning calculator, there's one per hour, and also there is per day earning calculator. Let's just choose one, for example this one per hour. And this is an expert rate, and we're gonna be experts with the method that I'm gonna show you. And let's say that you can type in 50 words per minute. That's gonna make you $60 per hour, and that's some sweet money over here. And right now I'm gonna show you a bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can actually get paid on an expert level, and I'll show you the strategy in a moment. So for the second step of the method, I want you guys to connect to ratatype.com. And this is the homepage of the website where you can take a free typing test. This website can help you to earn a higher rate by simply typing names online. All you need to do is click on this yellow button over here, and it's going to take you to this page where you can start typing using your phone or computer. And the reason why I want you to do this free typing test is that this website offers you a free certificate for absolutely free. When you start typing on this website, it will start calculating how many words you can type per minute. And it will also calculate your accuracy, meaning how fast you can type without any spelling mistakes. Your accuracy should be between 96 and 99%. The higher accuracy, the more money you can make. So by doing a speed test and taking a certificate on this website, you can show them your typing speed and accuracy. And in turn, that's gonna give you higher ratings on this website, and you can earn an expert level even if you're a complete beginner. So real quick, I'll do a test right now and show you how you can get your certificate for free. And here it is. When I finish my typing, they're gonna show you the speed right here, which is 47 words per minute, and accuracy of 94.8%. So if your speed is lower or your accuracy is lower than 90%, don't worry, because you can always go back to the website and you can actually retake the typing test for free until you get a higher speed or a higher accuracy. And once you're satisfied with the results, you can click on this yellow button, which is entitled Get My Typing Certificate. And that will open this simple sign up form. You should just enter in your name, your email address, password, agree to these over here, and click on sign up. Just make sure to enter in a valid email address because they're gonna send you a confirmation link. So you need to click on that in order to get your certificate. Or otherwise, you can sign up with Google or Facebook, and that should be a little bit faster. So this is my dashboard. Once you log in, this is how it's going to look like. You can see my name here and the results on my typing speed and accuracy. And over here, you can see my certificate. And as you can see, my name, my score over here, and they even put the date over here. So with this certificate, you can get paid for a much higher rate, which is as an expert. So I want you to keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up and apply for a typing job on this website and start receiving typing jobs and projects just like this one and earn $15 over and over again. Now, when you go to Talent Desire on online typing jobs, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this red Apply Now button. Now, once you land on this page, I want you to scroll a bit down and click on Select an Application Form. After that, you can just click on Fill in your details to apply and work with us. And this is where you should enter in some basic personal information about yourself, such as first name, last name, email, contact number, resident country, and zip code. And don't worry, because these guys offer jobs to all the states and all the countries that are out there. So it doesn't matter where you live, you're still able to earn some money with this website. And also make sure to enter in a valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link and you need to click on that. So further on, preferred job title, I want you to type in Professional Data Entry Specialist. This is very important because this way you're gonna show them that you are worthy of this position. Now, what time is best for you? You can put all day, and that way you're gonna get more jobs. And of course, your best way to receive earning, you can choose any of these. I'm just gonna choose PayPal for now, and that is it. Current profession status, you can put student, you can put something like freelancer, that's maybe the best, and make sure to agree on this. Signature, just put your full name, complete this CAPTCHA, and that's it. Once you get accepted, you can begin receiving typing name projects such as this one, so you can earn $15 for 300 words. That's really nice amount of money, guys. Trust me, I've been earning these amounts for a long time now, and this is just one page. There are a lot of them, and just make sure to make your spare time count. We all got some spare time. The only difference is how we use it. So I'm telling you, start using your time, invest it in something profitable, and earn some money. That's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next one.